Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever tried exporting a Figma file directly to Adobe Illustrator, you know there's no built-in option, but don't worry, there is a simple workaround. First, select the frame you want to export in Figma. Then go to export and choose SVG as the file format. You can also use PDF, but SVG works best for this process since it's a vector format. Now save the file to your desktop. Next, head over to SVG to AI converter. There are plenty of free online tools for this. Just drag and drop your SVG file, hit convert, and wait a few seconds. Once the conversion is done, you'll have an AI file that you can open in Adobe Illustrator. The best part, your design will be fully editable with individual layers and vector shapes, in fact. But here's a key tip. If you're using Illustrator, you don't actually need to convert the file to AI. Illustrator can open SVG files directly, keeping the everything editable. So unless you specifically need an AI file, you can skip the conversion step. And that's it. A quick, easy way to get your Figma design into Adobe Illustrator. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.